In newly released surveillance video, you can see the moment a drunk driver with a history of violations plowed into a patio full of people. Starting tomorrow, people in that condition won't even be able to start their car in the first place. Esme Murphy explains the changes.
The footage is shocking. An SUV backing into a car and clipping another driver. Before this, the SUV flying through a fence and into the Park Tavern patio. The impact far too graphic to show. But in the chaotic aftermath, you can see a limping man and a woman with a baby walking away. Christina Folkers and Gabe Harvey lost their lives. A dozen others were hurt. Before Stephen Bailey was sentenced to 30 years this week, survivors shared their stories.
I believe in forgiveness, but this act is unforgivable.
Tegan Dalbani was severely injured and spent 40 days in the hospital and endured multiple complex surgeries.
I feel guilty that I was alive and that my friend Gabe had passed away. I felt guilt that I was allowed to be a mother, and Christina could not.
Bailey had 5 prior DWIs, but currently did not have what's called an ignition interlock system. That's a breathalyzer to start the car.
This is a good, solid bill to improve the safety on our roads.
Lawmakers made tough new changes. The rare bipartisan win at the Capitol extends the look-back period for prior DUIs from 10 to 20 years. The new law starting Friday will mean anyone who gets a DUI and has a prior DUI in the last 20 years will have to use an interlock device for 2 years. If someone gets 2 new DUIs, they will use the interlock device for 6 years, and 3 new DUIs will use the interlock device for 10 years. And while it won't bring back Christina or Gabe, for one victim, it's something.
I'm thankful for the new bill that will increase the time a person is required to have an interlock. It's not the perfect answer to stop drunk driving, but it at least is a step in the right direction.
Esme Murphy, WCCO News.
The new law also enhances the penalty for trying to disable an ignition interlock or driving without one.